Today we're going to be test fitting some wheels. We picked up some wheels the other day and it's going to be something familiar to this channel. As always, what did we pick up? No, not these wheels. These are the Volk TE37's that we just picked up. These are going to be going on the RCF. They're a little bit more aggressive. They're 19 by 9.5, 22, 19 by 10.5, 15. Or at least that's what he claims. So we're going to test fit these in the rear today because we know these fit in the front, but these we don't know if they're going to fit. So we're going to take those bad boys out and test fit these. Alright, seems like there's a problem. We thought these were 19 by 10.5 plus 15, but they seem to sit exactly the same as the Mag Blue TE37's. Let me show you guys how much of a poke this is. If you're looking straight down, you can see the lip of the rim is slightly showing right there. Now, I remember when I test fitted the Mag Blue ones over here, they were the same. So looking down here, they're exactly the same. So what we're gonna do now is take the wheel off. We're gonna put it on the face of the wheel. We're gonna put a flat board on top, and we're gonna measure down to the hub to see exactly how much the offset is, because it doesn't show on the back of the wheel because he powder coated over it, which I don't know why he did that. But we're gonna take it off, we're gonna measure it, and we're gonna measure the same thing with the Mag Blue TEs over here, and hopefully they're the same. If they're the same, we can just save the time and not buy a camber kit because it doesn't rub at all. It's perfectly fine. So let's take these things off and let's measure all this. So one thing to know, if you want to measure your offsets on your wheels and you don't have any stickers or stamps, you want to measure from the lip, right here on the edge of the lip down to the other edge. You don't measure from the top to the bottom because that's going to give you an off reading. So we know these are 10.5, but if you measure from the top all the way to here, it's going to show 11.5. So what you do, you measure from the edge to the other edge, which will make it 10.5. Or just measure from top and bottom and take away 1 inch. The offset, how it works is right in the middle of 10.5, it's going to be 5 1/4. So 5 1/4, that's going to make it 0 offset. So since the hub of the wheels are a little further out on one side, it's going to be positive. So to make sure what offset this is, we're going to measure from the top here down, and we're going to subtract 1/2 inch, which is this piece, because that's where the board is sitting at. So you put the board right on the edge, making sure it's flat, and we're gonna measure down to the hub right here, 6 3/4. But you're supposed to take away 1/2 inch, right? So this is actually going to be 6 1/4. And now we already know that half the wheel is 5 1/4, right? Because we measured it from the side. If it's a 10.5, 0 offset will be 5 1/4. So you take away 5 1/4, you have 1 inch. So 1 inch actually makes it 22 to 25 millimeters. So that's how you make your offset. This is a 10.5, 22 to 25 offset. So what we're doing now is we're sanding down where the stamp is from Volk. It's in between the 9.5 and 10.5. So that's one thing you want to know about the TE37's, the original TE37's. We cross-reference with the Mag Blue one, so we're gonna go ahead and sand this down and see what actually the offset is. Alright guys, it might be kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna try to jump down there it is. So you can see right here, it says 22. This is 22 offset. Very easy to check if you don't have this powder coated. I don't know why he decided to powder coat the whole thing. So now we're gonna take out the other 10.5 and do the same thing just to make sure these are matched. Alright guys, we just sanded this one down. It is plus 22 as well, so they are matching rears. One good thing about these set of wheels, they're exactly the same as the Mag Blue, so he can use the same tires. He doesn't need alignment because they're exactly the same, and we're not altering the suspension at all. So this is perfect. It'll save him some money from getting a camber kit, getting an alignment and all that stuff. And I'm probably gonna put the tires on for him anyway at my job, so he's gonna save some money on that for sure. We're gonna go and get these powder coated. We're gonna go to a powder coat shop on Thursday. Stay tuned in a couple days and we'll see what color he decides to do these wheels. That's gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Not much to record, not much to talk about, but we're definitely putting some new wheels. We're definitely gonna change the color on these TEs and change the setup of this car. So stay tuned and we'll see you guys Thursday. Peace.